Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix no active device used for your location error on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of location error on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and look for the option privacy and security. Tap on it. Here go to location services and make sure that your location services is turned on. If you found it in off mode, then turn the toggle button on. Location services must be enabled on your iPhone. And check whether you still receiving your location error or not. Make sure that all required apps having location services enabled, which you receive, for which you receiving such type of message. So go to that particular app and make the check against option while using the app. So if you are using any app and this error appeared, then go to that particular app and make sure that location services is enabled for that particular app, and check whether you are still receiving such type of location error or not. If not, if you're still facing, then go to the next fixes. Tap on settings again, tap on your profile name, and here scroll down and sign out your Apple account. First sign out, and after some times again re-sign in again to your Apple account with Apple ID. So sign out and sign in again with your Apple ID account. The next one is restart your iPhone. Turn off your iPhone and wait till 5 seconds or 10 seconds and again turn on your iPhone. Restart your iPhone. The next one is tap on settings, go to general settings. Here tap on software update, and if any iOS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of location error appeared. The next one is again tap on settings, scroll down and tap on general settings. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, again tap on reset, choose reset network settings. Tap on it. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID. And again tap on reset network settings. The one more workaround you will have to apply. Disable or enable network